Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is trigonometric identities. And in previous class we take and simplify some important question based on trigonometric identities. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important questions based on trigonometric which is related to your syllabus. Okay. And in that class we take some other important questions. Let's see. Suppose we take a very important questions related to your topic. If sec theta is equal to x plus 1 upon 4x, x plus 1 upon 4x, prove that sec x plus tan sec theta plus tan theta sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2x or 1 upon 2x. 1 upon 2x. Okay, dear students. This is very important questions of your syllabus. So please listen to more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay. This is a very important question of your syllabus here. A very important relation. A relation is given in that question, which is what if sec theta is equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x, prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2x or 1 upon 2x. Prove that there's a 2x or 1 upon 2x. Okay. So this is a very important question. So let's see its solution. First of all, we have sec theta is equal to x plus 1 upon 4x. Okay. Now we know that dear students, we know that what 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what sec square theta. This is a very important identity, okay, related to that. Now we can write as tan square theta is equal to what sec square theta minus 1. Now we put the value of sec theta. We take equation number 1. Since from equation 1 we get as tan square theta is equal to sec square, the value of sec theta is what x plus 1 upon 4x whole square minus 1. We just put the value of sec theta. Okay, the value of sec theta. So we get as tan square theta is equal to b. Here we apply the formula x a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square means 1 upon 4 for the 16b square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 upon 4x. Okay, so this is the formula. We apply the formula a square plus b square plus 2a into b plus 2a into b and minus 1 right as it is. So we get as tan square theta is equal to what? Look here, 1 cancel to each other and here we get 2 to the 4. So that is x square plus 1 upon 16x square plus this is 1 by 2 is left here and minus 1. So plus 1 by 2 and minus 1. plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 is get minus 1 by 2. So here this is x square plus 1 upon 16 x square minus 1 by 2. So we can write as tan square theta is equal to, we can write x square plus 1 upon 4x whole b square minus 2 into x into 1 upon 4x. We can write now, because of if we x cancel to each other and 2 2s are 4. So we can write, dear students, we can write this expression as x square plus 4x square minus 2 into a means x, b means 1 upon 4x. Okay, now so this is the concept. Now here we this is the based on, this is an identity, you know that identity now, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, 2ab. Okay, now look, so here we get what, here x what cancel to each other, x was cancel to each other, here 2 to the, this is 4. No, we can write as, look, we arrange it in the form of 2 into x into 1 upon 4. Okay, so here this is formula a square plus b square minus 2 a into b. So this is the formula a minus b whole square. So this is tan square theta is equal to x a minus 1 upon 4x. A minus b means whole square. Okay, now tan theta is equal to, that is tan theta is equal to in square root x minus 1 upon 4x whole square. So we get tan theta is equal to plus minus x minus 1 upon 4. So in this way we get the value of tan theta. We get the value of tan theta as plus minus x minus 1 upon 4x. Plus minus x minus 1 upon 4x. Okay, now look. Now what I do? Now, so in this way we get the value of tan theta, and already we have the value of sec theta. Now look. Since the value of tan theta is what? Plus minus x minus 1 upon 4. This is, we take equation number 2. Okay. Now, dear students, here we can write as what? Look, this is sec plus tan. Okay, so that is, we take positive sign, so that is the value of sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, so value of sec theta is what? X plus 1 upon 4x plus the value of tan theta is what? X minus 1 upon 4x. X minus 1 upon 4x, na? Yes. So 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x what cancel to each other. So we get as sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x plus x, that is 2x. So one answer is given. This is first answer and proof first part. Or we also prove that 1 upon 2x. Now we take my negatives. Now we take tan theta is equal to, now we take tan theta is equal to minus x minus 1 upon 4x. Okay, now we take tan theta is equal to this, so that the value of sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, sec theta is what? X plus 1 upon 4x plus, this is plus minus minus, this is x minus 1 upon 4x, because of now this time we take the value of tan is in negative. Now we simplify this, plus 1 upon 4x minus x plus 1 upon 4x. So this is x cancel to each other, x cancel to each other, dear students, and 1 upon 4s plus 1 upon 4s is what? 2 into 1 upon 4s. 2 to the 4. So that is the value of sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 upon 2x. This is 1 upon 2x. This is the required solution of the given question. Thus, dear students, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to plus 2x or 1 by 2x, hence 2. Okay, so in this way, this is the process, dear students, to solve that type of question. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on identity. Let's see. If the question is, if tan theta plus cot theta, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to what? 2. Okay, find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now let's see its solution. Okay, so dear students, you know that a very important relation given in our question, since we have tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Now squaring both sides, that is squaring both sides means tan theta is cot theta whole square is equal to 2 square. So we get a square plus b square plus 2a into b. Okay, we can explain now. Look, first of all, this is the given relation, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. We take as this is given. Now dear student, for that question we find the value of what? Tan square theta plus cot square theta. So the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta, we find that. So first of all, we write equation tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Now we take squaring both sides, and after that we get, and this is equal to the 4. Now this is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2, and tan means 1 upon cot theta into cot theta is equal to 4. Cot theta cancel to each other. So we get tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means that is 2. So the value of tan square plus cot square theta is what? 2. This is your answer. So dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric identities. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions, then you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Let's see, first of all we write the given relation. After that we taking square both sides. After taking squaring both sides, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now here tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, so cot cancel to each other. Okay, so 2 is left here. Now tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 4, and plus 2 transfer that side, so we get minus 2. So the 4 minus 2, that is 2. So in this way the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 2. So this is, and now we take and solve some other important question based on identity. means trigonometric identity. Let's see. A very important question is, your question is very important. Your question is find the value of under root 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. This is your question. Okay, find the value of 1 plus in square root 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. What I do for that? So first of all, we have what we have. We have as in square root, this is 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So different in that type of questions, first of all you do rationalization. We rationalizing them. For rationalization we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator, and here the conjugate of denominator is what? 1 minus cos theta. So its conjugate will be what? 1 plus cos theta. Now we rationalize them. Now we rationalize them. That is 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so in rationalizing we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator. Okay, we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of its denominator. Okay, now so look, now we simplify them. Look, so we can write as in square root, this is 1 plus cos theta, this is also 1 plus cos theta, so we can write 1 plus cos theta whole square upon a minus b into a plus b. This is the form of identity. So we can write a square minus b square, means 1 square minus b square. Okay, means the value of b is what? Cos theta. Okay, so look, so we write as in square root 1 plus cos theta whole square upon a square minus b square is a minus b, a square minus b, so we can write 1 minus cos square theta. And you know that since 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Okay, so here we can write in square root 1 plus cos theta whole square upon this is what? Sin square theta. This is what? Sin square theta. Okay, so dear students, now this is square, this is also in square, so we take common out from the square root, so we get this is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. This is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Now dear students, we separating them, so for that we get, in this way we get 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. And dear students, the value of 1 upon sin theta is what? This is cosec theta, so here we write as cosec theta plus the value of cos upon sin. The value of cos upon sin is what? Cot theta, so that is we get as cot theta hence root. Hence means this is your required answer. So in this way, so we simplify till this means cos theta plus cot theta. This is the value of the expression in square root 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions, okay, of your syllabus. Let's see. How? Your question is, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. So let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that type of question? This is the MCQ type of questions. Now look, first of all we write given. Look, given the relation this is sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So first of all we simplify that relation, and from there we find the value of angle theta. Let's see. So we can write as sin theta is equal to cos theta transfer that side. This is plus cos theta, or we can write as sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 1. We can write now. So first of all we transfer cos minus cos theta that side, so it becomes plus cos theta, and now we divide it in sin theta, so it is equal to 1. Now sin upon cos, sin theta upon cos theta is what? Tan theta is equal to 1. Now the value of tan 45 degree is what? 1. So from there the value of theta, angle theta is what? 45 degree. Thus the value of angle theta is equal to 45 degree. Now thus the value of the expression, thus the value of the sin cos 4 theta plus cos 4 theta is, now we just put the value of theta as what? 45. We put the value of theta as 45. So put theta is equal to 45. We get, so here we put sin 45 degree to whole power 4 plus cos 45 degree to whole power 4. Okay. Now you know that the value of sin 45, the value of sin 45 is what? 1 upon under root 2. The value of sin 45 is 1 upon under root 2 to whole power 4 plus the value of cos 45 is what? 1 upon under root 2 to whole power 4. So we get what? So 1 upon under root 2 into 1 upon under root 2 is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4. Means the value of 1 upon under root 2 to the power 4 is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now we take their LCM. So their LCM is what? 4. So we get 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So that is 1 upon 2. So the value of the expression sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is 1 upon 2. This is your answer. So in this way, you can solve this type of question. Please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay. Now your question is, now we take some other important question based on trigonometric identities. And your question is, if x is equal to a sec theta, x is equal to a sec theta, and y is equal to b tan theta, and y is equal to b tan theta, find the value of find b square x square minus a square minus y, a square y square. We find this value. Okay, so this is also an MCQ type question. So here the question is, x is equal to b. It is given that x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. So we find the value of this. Now what I do? Now we take these expressions and we put the value of x and y in the given expression and we simplify them. So here first, let's solve it. So first of all, given that ax is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. So the value of the expression b square x square minus a square y square, okay, is equal to, we put the value of x and y. So here this is b square, x value is what? A sec theta square, okay, minus a square, right as it is. We put the value of y as what? B tan theta square, b tan theta square. Okay, now we simplify them. So we get what? B square into a square sec square theta minus a square into b square tan square theta. Now from there, what I do? From there we take a square b square as common. We take a square b square as common, na? So we take a square b square as common. So we get what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Dear students, the expression tan square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta is what? 1. This is identity, na? Since, dear students, you know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta, so tan square theta transform that side, so we get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So the value of the expression sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we get a square b square into 1, that is a square b square. This is the required solution of the given questions. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT. Let's see what note here. The value of x and y is given that, okay, and we will just find the value of this. So we put all the values in this expression and we simplify them, so we get our result. Okay, so based on this is the very important question. Thus, dear student, in this way, in today's class, we take and solve some important questions related to your topic. Now in next class we take and solve some other important questions related to your syllabus. Okay, so please first do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, now thanks to all.